Hi guys, today I will be talking about my favorite quote. Yes, I made one. I made one myself because this is about my experience and I think I was drawn into the path of self-love. Yes, and by the way, this is just a short one. This is the one I always post and I think I posted this on my Instagram. Yes, and also on my FB. Yep, and some other else. Yep. So, uh, but of course, you will see a deeper meaning of this and elaborated facts and figures on, of course, on the book that I'm writing about the same title, Self Love. So, what are you waiting for? Hi, guys. So, now I will be talking about my quote. Of course, it is love yourself first and foremost, then everything will fall into place. Maybe I will be falling asleep with this talk. Okay, so this is based on my experience, yes, and also my journey. I think I have learned from this, and I was enlightened by my higher self about love recently. Yeah, so that's why I'm sharing this, because you cannot give what you don't have, and everything starts within you, from within you. So I don't believe that love is from what you have, who you're with, or whatever reason. You have love because it is from within you, from within your heart, your soul. And you cannot get it somewhere. That's why people tend to be unhappy all the time, filled with worry and unpeacefulness. They have no peace because they don't have love and joy and a lot of stuff. But of course, everything begins with love, and love is the answer. Love is the answer. So, when I joined a certain girls group, I was shocked with what I saw, that I didn't know that women from in this in this country was so how should I call it? They are unhappy because they are in an unhealthy and toxic relationship, and it's like they cannot get out of it. Why? Because you don't have self-love. It's easy to say, oh, I love myself. Yes, I have self-love, but sorry, if you are depressed, you are anxious, you have anxiety, you worry a lot, you don't have self-love. Yes, that's the truth. It's now out. If you love yourself, you will not be there, because if you love yourself, you have self-respect, self-worth, you're self-aware. Your self-awareness is up, and of course your self-value is up, so everything is up. So we have to empower ourselves with what? With love first. You cannot give love and receive love if you don't have it. LOA, remember? So if you have love, you will just vibrate it. That's why at the end of the quote it says everything will fall into place, because Love has done everything for you already. You are like, love encompasses you as a soul. You have everything you need. Remember? All we need is love. Yes, love. And speaking of love, please, on February next month, of course, it's love month. So we will be having our lecture on self-love. Yes. Well, it's not that broad in the broadest sense. So just a few words. If you want more, please wait for my book. Yes, I'm writing about it. And so we will be learning more about self-love, how to love yourself, how to know yourself. That's why it's two words, self and love. So you will be tackling about the self, your real self, okay? And love as well. And then we will combine it. And then we will live happily ever after. Yes, nirvana, heaven and earth, and love. So wait for me and my group, Creatrix Souls, this February, and see you soon.